So I go to walk down to my spot, and on one of the benches closest to it, I see this pile of shit. Garbage. Sprawled everywhere. And apparently, there's a garbage. These people can't fucking pick up after themselves. And it was everywhere. So I will show you guys the fucking bag. It's a pack full of garbage that is not mine. Whoever was here, apparently they were fishing and eating and everything in between. And I need to take this lid off of this garbage can because it won't fit in the hole. People like to leave their garbage everywhere and not pick up after themselves. Sorry, I'm trying to do this. You think I'd be smart and turn the camera off, but I am venting. It smells like crap, but it's close. If you guys want to come to a park and have a good time and everything else, at least pick up after your fucking selves. You know, maybe 50 feet away there was a garbage can. And this is fucking pathetic. And there's a dude walking around. But birds, they're ducks, they're geese, they're seals. They can choke on these small little particles that they pick up. There was small papers, plastic. There was a container for night crawlers. At least pick up after yourselves. You know, it took me maybe 5 minutes in order to do it, and to walk over to the trash can and throw it out. It's not that fucking difficult. And that's all I have to say.